Hi everyone, Shamila here. So, after all the anticipation of the last few, it feels like forever, our new baby has finally arrived. I am doing this in segments so you guys can enjoy the process with me as I unbox my Cricut Maker. Are we ready? Let's open this. Wow, it's really sealed. So I have never used a Cricut before, and this is going to be a complete new learning curve for me. So for those of you who have purchased one and have never used it, we're going on the same journey. Oh my gosh. So, I've got it back to front. Let's see what the box says on top. More tools, more materials, more possibilities. So, premium. Included in the box is your premium fine point blade. Oh, a rotary blade. That blade makes me excited. And a fine point pin. And then you can buy separately your single scoring wheel. Exciting. There's a double scoring wheel. Washable fabric pen and a calligraphy pen. Good. Now, I don't know if I'm strong enough to open this. Oh, I'm going to need to call the administrator to help me. Okay. Oh, it's like she doesn't want to come out. And the new baby is born. Thank you, right. There's a seal on top here. I'm guessing that's to show that no one else has used it before. Wow. Very securely packed. I wonder what color we got. Right, there's one box here. What's in the box? Oh, it slides. Can it slide? Oh no, this one's like this. I don't want to break the top. Okay. Oh, materials for your first project. Very cool. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, very nice. Open me first. Get started in 4 steps. So there we go. Okay, that's all different languages. We only need the English one. Very cool. That's your warranty. That's the blade. I think that must be the rotary blade. What else is in there? Ooh. Oh, that's like, looks like a... Oh, the rotary blade cap. Everything is beautifully marked. Cable, that's the pin. And what's in this beautiful envelope? I feel like I'm being invited to a major event. This is cardstock. Oh, this is such beautiful cardstock. It's got such a lovely texture. Look at that. Stunning. What else is in there? That's all. I love the envelope and I hold onto it because it's given me an idea for a project already. Okay. That. So now we need the administrator again. Oh no, this comes out. Color, it looks gold. What color is it? What color is it? Oh, rose gold. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Let's see if I can take it out. She's quite heavy. Welcome to your new home. What's inside the box? Oh, that looks like an American plug. This is the adapter with the South African 2-strong plug, I think. Let's take this out. And these are the mat underneath. Wow, everything is really packed well packed. So we've got a light grip mat and we have a fabric grip. Oh, there's another box. I'll open that later. Okay, so the machine is completely encased in a plastic wrapping. I've never received the machine because I've got other machines, but I've never received a machine that's been so beautifully packed and presented. I have to be honest. This color looks so gorgeous. It's coming up gold instead of rose gold. I think it's rose gold. It is beautiful. It's compact. It's slimline, so it's not going to take up a huge space on your desk, which I like because I'm kind of stuck with space. You know, if you're a crafter, you need more counter space than anybody else. So this is fabulous. Wow. Needs to go to recycling. I'm sure this plastic is recyclable. And this is not a light machine, I can tell you one thing. It's quite heavy. Right, let's open this. I'm not sure if you need to have this machine on to open it. No. Wow! Oh my gosh! Woo! That surprised me. Okay, and then inside here we've got our blade holders, and that looks like the standard blade that's in there. We need to get this loaded now. Hi there. So I am finally opening box 2, and I've seen what's in everyone else's boxes, so this may not be as much of a surprise for me as I imagine. So let's see what's inside. I must say it's taken me 2 days to get to this point of opening this box, and I had to restrain myself because every time I walk past the box I'm like, oh, I need to see what's inside. Okay, I hope this is in shot. So we have bubble wrap. We have a little card that says, "Dear Ambassador, we are so excited for you to get started on your journey with Cricut. Thank you for your patience as everything falls into place.
Enjoy every moment unpacking your cutie crate. Then get cracking and make magic. But above all, have fun. Love, Yvolna. Oh, Yvolna, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. And here's our little cutie. I wonder which color I received. I'm pretty sure they come in different colors. Oh, jene moeders. Isn't he adorable? He's just so cute. I love those big eyes. So we have, what's this, a lilac? Lilac cutie. Thank you. And we have the most amazing set of tools. So let's see. I have no clue what that is, but I will find out. We've got this little picker. We've got a beautiful tweezers, the spatula. That's that little thingy, scraper, scissors. I love scissors, so for me that's a big plus. And then we've got a stunning trimmer in here. I have an addiction to scissors and trimmers, so wow, this is amazing. I've never had a Cricut trimmer, so I'm looking forward to using this one and seeing how it works. I'm guessing those are blades or something. We'll find out. So that's one. Then we've got lots of white paper, which I will send to recycling, I promise. For the moment, it's going on the floor. Vinyl. This one says permanent vinyl in red, brilliant and glossy, tomato red. Wow. I have never worked with vinyl before, so you will all come on my journey as I experiment with vinyl. Then this one is also permanent vinyl, but it is the most amazing. Shimmer, 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 right up my alley. There's pinks and lilacs and whatever color, iridescence. Perfect. Then we've got an iron-on one. So I'm guessing this one, it's matte. I'm guessing this one's going to work on fabric. Also in red. I see gold. We have infusible ink. Oh, transfer sheets. Oh my gosh. I'm hoping I can use this with an iron because it says heat activated. I do not have, I wish I did. I do not have one of those easy presses. It's been on my wish list for a long, long time. Then we have more vinyl in gold. Ooh, this looks very rich. Oh, wow. And are there 3 colors in here? Yes. Oh, there's 3 colors in this one too. Woo woo. Black, white, and red. Let's see the others. No, that's all singles by the looks of it. So in this one we have silver. Oh, there's more in this too. Oh my gosh. Gold, silver, and iridescent. Gold, silver. Oh, okay. Clearly I'm a newbie at this. Look at this. So all these colors look like it's in that packet. That's cool. So you got tomato red, you have orange, you have maize yellow, Kelly green, medium blue, and forest green. Cool. That's nice. Okay, so that's the gold one. Oh, and this one looks nice. This is a matte, I think. Yes, look how lovely those matte ones look. This will really look cool on a mug. I'm loving that. So we've got gold, white, and silver. And then we've got, this is permanent vinyl as well. Ooh, neutral shades. That's amazing. And one more thing in the box are our pens. So we've got yellow, green, that looks like a purpley blue, red, and black. So this is, okay, permanent after dry. Always test pens before use. Water-based and acid-free. So it's perfect for your scrapbooking. So guys, that's what's in my box. I'm looking forward to using all these things. I'm guessing my grandchildren are going to be blinged out with t-shirts and stuff. So we'll see. It's something that I've always wanted to do. So thank you to Cricut family for giving me this opportunity. To Yavolna, Nolta, and Martin at Cricut. Really, you guys are amazing. You've given so many people an awesome opportunity to participate in this new venture in South Africa. And I am proud to be a part of it. So thank you so much. And I look forward to showing you all my beautiful designs. And that's it from me. Until next time, see you in cyberspace. Bye now.